Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Ford F150, talking about that generation between year 2009 to year 2014. If you have one of those, you need to find where guys the fuse for the license plate light is located, also known as tag light. Stay with us, we'll explain which fuse you need to check, where you can buy cheap fuses from, because some of those could be really expensive, and relays as well, and why it's important to test fuses and relays so you don't waste your money and time. All that will be covered today. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. On this channel you will find all the fuse videos on Ford F150. We're going to make video for every single fuse, so if you're on the road, stuck in the middle of somewhere, you need to find a specific fuse, you can just come to the channel, search for it, find it in less than, let's say, 30 seconds. You don't even need to pull your manual out of the glove box, and most of the times you will be even missing this one. Something else guys, we take cars here at the garage and we take them completely apart. We fix engines, transmissions, bodywork. We show you how to fix pretty much anything. And the mechanical work guys, okay, electric codes and things like that can be found on our main YouTube channels. Those are our older channels, and this one is our new channel where we're going to share just fuses so we can make it really convenient for you to find the information that you need. Now if you need to buy replacement fuses, relays for your Ford F150, because those can be really expensive at the parts store or the dealership, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can get them at a really good price and quick shipping as well. So let's continue. So what we have specifically here guys, we're going to demonstrate on the 2012 Ford F150. If you have a different year but that generation, video may be helpful. You have two fuse boxes. One, the main engine management fuse box, it's under the hood above the radiator. That's the cover for the fuse box, but we don't need this one today. We need the body control module fuse box, which is located in the cabin on the passenger side, under the dash, under the glove box, by that kick panel. You remove the plastic here on the side, you open the fuse box, and you will guys see, okay, you will see that fuse box. We took a picture, we zoomed it so we can clearly show you exactly where that fuse box is located now. So and you can see everything with a great detail. Let's first explain why it's important to test fuses and relays so you don't waste your time and money. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So the fuse that you need to check for the license plate and the tag light will be, if you start from left to right, will be 1, 2, 3, that fourth row right here guys. Okay, not counting this fuse, but that fuse right here on the right side of the relay, that 10M fuse, that will be the one that you will need to check. Very important fuse guys. Check this fuse, 10M fuse that we have in our truck right here. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful to any of you needing help with the license plate tag fuse. Thank you for watching and see you next time.